Unang gupit ni Baby Mayu, ayan, nakapila sila. Kababayan, dito kami sa gupitan. Ito ang gupitan dito sa Amerika, mga kababayan. Gupitan ng mga bata. Ayan na, oh, siya. Wow, ganda naman yun. Kulit ah. Ayan, si Mayo nakaupo ng mga kababayan. Ayan yung bata. Gugupitan na siya, mga kababayan. Ayan, nakaupo na siya. Oh. Unang gupit na, Naomi. Nakaupo na siya. Ayan, das. Yung nagugupit, kala mo is katutuwa, no? Natuwa siya kasi laruan, inuupuan. Sabi niya, bakit kaya ito binabasa yung ulo ko? Kasi ginupitan niya ng mama niya, itabi niya. Ayan, dinala namin dito sa parlor.
No, I get it. Just get that a few pieces, yeah. Did you want to take the first haircut? I was gonna say we offer like we save a little locket hair and there's like a whole certificate we'll put together and take a picture and print it out for you guys. I figured I'd offer. I was gonna say I think with the hair, the shampoo and stuff, it would be similar pricing, but we don't have to do. It would just be a little bit extra. I think the kids haircut is just $20. So. It's up to you. I can always save a little lock of hair too.
Magandang upo ko dito, mga kababayan. Kukunan ko lang silang bili. Pati tito niya, nakatingin siya.
She is kind of shy on people first. Forget what that is. That's the hardest part, is just getting used to people messing with you.
Maganda yung nagugupit sa kanya. Kontra yung iba, malalaki.
Just get out for a little bit. I know. That's what I was worried about because one of my friends, his kids went, and I was just like, yeah, rehydrating them, and it was just miserable out there. I just drove my little one around while they were practicing, and I was like, that's what I'm needing to do. It works for me. So were you there yesterday, or did you miss your
Yan dito, kalit lang ang patlot ng mga kababayan na yan. Kahira yan. Ayan. Malinis din, tapos kalsado na yung sa labas.
I feel like it's
Ang ganda-ganda.
bars and the other teams that sometimes it's like whatever. Especially Miss Rachel, she seems really good with the kiddos.
Nakabots yan. Gugupitan lang, nakabots oh. Tuwan-tuwa nanay. Yan, unang gupit po yan, mga ka-Facebook. Yan. Yung ibang video yan makikita niyo sa YouTube ko. Simpleng Buhay USA.
Want to be able to kind of tuck them back so they're not looking at those ears.
Yan, tapos na yata mga kababayan. Yay! Wow! Good job! Tumbabalalo siya. Oh. Thank you.
And then she can totally grab a balloon on the way. It's so never doing so amazing.
Mama just won the Mama.
Kami na dyan, review kami dalawa. Oo.
Tangkad na ni Jan yung.
Naomi! It's like, Yui! Lalaro pa daw siya eh. Uwi na kami. Uwi na. Ayan na. Kababayan yan. Dito paglabas, ganyan na po. Yan dito mga kababayan. Oh, ang ina. Teka. Paglabas, ganito naman. Ano? Andi dito. Yan. Tapos yan, diyan kami galing, mga kababayan. Yan. Bakit? Nauntog. Nako, nauntog yan. Ito yung sasakyan na yan, kan Jeric yan. Sa anak kong panganay, mga kababayan. Yan. Kababayan, nahabol niya yung mga bubbles. Nayumi. Ito yung bata, oo. Oo. Yak! Darte na! Nayumi! Yan, mga marurunong na maglakad na ang apo ko, mga kababayan. Una lang yung 2 kamay. Oh. Sa ganito, hinahabol ako. Dapag nadapa, babangon. Charing. Nayumi. Saan ka papunta? Sige, andyan yung bunny. We're bunny. Uy, aling maliit, saan kaya pupunta, oh?